Watch to the end for Unlock My Complete Faceless Channel Prompt Pack and start your own faceless YouTube channel that can go viral. Ready? Smash like, hit subscribe for more AI tool tutorial, and let's dive in. Part 1. The niche that's blowing up. Have you seen these kinds of videos? Some of them hit 100,000 views just days after being uploaded. Take the YouTube channel Lighthouse Horror. They post 2 videos a week, and almost everyone goes viral. Or look at MJV Animation. Each upload racks up massive views. Channels that focus on scary stories, urban legends, and creepy encounters are pulling in millions of views. And here's the crazy part. These are faceless channels. No actors, no on-camera presence, just powerful storytelling and compelling visuals. And yes, they're making thousands of dollars every month doing this. Ready to turn this viral idea into your own high-performing video? Let's dive into Part 2. Find what's already going viral. Want your faceless storytime videos to blow up? Here's the secret sauce. Don't reinvent the wheel. Study what's already going viral. This will boost your chances of going viral 10x faster. Here's how you do it step by step. 1. Install vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Both are free Chrome extensions. 2. Head over to 3-5 viral storytime channels in the horror or mystery niche, just like the ones I showed you earlier. 3. Open one of the channels, and after installing vidIQ, you'll now see a new Trending tab. Click Trending and look for videos over 1 month old. Still pulling in 50+ views hour. Comment section still active. These are your gold mines. Pick 3-5 high-performing video titles. These show proven demand in the algorithm. We're not copying, we're reverse engineering what YouTube already wants to promote. In this video, I selected a storytime upload that hit 1,000 views in just 6 days. That's the power of demand-driven content. And it's ready to inspire your own version in Part 3, where we'll start building your video. Part 3. Write a script that hooks viewers like a pro. Now that you've found a viral idea, it's time to turn it into a powerful script, one that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds and keeps viewers watching until the end. We'll use a proven system called the Ultimate YouTube Script Generation Prompt, built to help you write engaging, viral-ready scripts in the exact style of top-performing storytime videos. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. You'll use this to generate your custom script. Step 2. Copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Before hitting enter, make sure to insert 2 things. Your viral title idea from Part 2, a sample script from a viral video. Go back to the video you selected, copy the title, and insert the viral video title here. How to get that sample script. 1. Go to YouTube and find a top-performing video in your niche. You already identified this in Part 2. 2. Copy the video URL. 3. Use one of these free subtitle transcript tools, downsub.com or youtubetranscript.com. 4. Paste your link here, click download the transcript file. 5. Open it and paste the full script into your ChatGPT prompt as the sample script. Step 3. Click generate. ChatGPT will now write a brand new script that matches the tone, pacing, and storytelling style of the viral video, but with your own original concept. Boom! You now have a high-quality, audience-tested script, ready for voiceover, visuals, and editing. Up next in Part 4 and 5, I'll show you exactly how to bring that script to life with cinematic voiceovers and stunning visuals. Let's keep building. To make the next steps easier, just copy your script and paste it into a Word document or Google Doc. That way, you're all set and ready to move on to Part 4. Create a realistic voiceover with ElevenLabs. Now that your script is ready, let's turn it into a professional-sounding voiceover without recording anything yourself. Here's how. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Choose a voice that fits your story's mood. For horror or mystery, I recommend something like Nathaniel, deep, intense, and dramatic. Paste your script into the text box. For best results, break it into shorter paragraphs and double-check punctuation for natural pauses. Click Generate, then listen to the result.
We used to visit my uncle's lake house every summer. It's in this tiny town in upstate New York, tucked between 2 state parks, surrounded by trees so thick you could get lost in the backyard if you weren't careful.
Sounds incredibly real, right? Download the audio to your computer or drive. That's it. You now have a clean, lifelike voiceover, perfect for your faceless storytime video. No mic or voice needed. Coming up next in Part 5, we'll bring your voiceover to life with cinematic visuals and final editing. Let's go! Part 5. Generate images with Leonardo AI or Google ImageFX. Now it's time to bring your story to life, visually. We'll use a powerful method called the line-by-line cinematic image prompt generator. This technique helps turn your video script into a series of AI-ready image prompts, one for every key moment in your story. Here's how it works. Copy the image prompt template. Paste it into ChatGPT along with your full video script. ChatGPT will break down your script into cinematic image prompts with one visual prompt per 1-2 sentences of your script. You'll get a full list of scene-by-scene visuals, ready for AI image generation. Now, open Leonardo.ai. Step 1. Choose the right model. I chose Cinematic Kino. Step 2. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Step 3. Paste the first image prompt into the tool. Step 4. Click Generate. Then you got 4 images. Option. Step 5. Repeat for each prompt until finish. When all your visuals are ready, download all the images. Rename each one based on the scene. You can now use them in your video editor, slideshow builder, or animation tool. That's it. With this method, you can easily turn any script into a fully visualized story using AI. Need help with syncing your voiceover or adding animation to these images? Stay tuned. That's coming in the next part. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut, your voiceover, visuals, and sound. Follow these simple steps. Open CapCut on desktop or mobile. Import your voiceover and all the images or video clips you've created. Align the visuals with your narration. Match key moments in the script with the right visuals. Add smooth transitions between scenes. I recommend using the dark flash transition for a mysterious, cinematic vibe. Apply effects to make the visuals feel more realistic or immersive. Add an adjustment layer to balance the color, contrast, and overall look of your video. Add sound effects to boost the atmosphere. Go to pixabay.com and search for free sound effects that match your video's tone. Download and import them into your timeline. Add subtitles using CapCut's auto caption feature. Then choose a subtitle template or effect that fits your video's style. Once everything looks and sounds great, export your video, and boom, you've just created a complete faceless storytelling episode, ready to upload and go viral. Here's the final result from the manual video editing process.
In this tiny town in upstate New York, tucked between 2 state parks, surrounded by trees so thick you could get lost in the backyard if you weren't careful. The house itself wasn't anything special. 2 floors, creaky stairs, and one of those wraparound porches with chipped white paint. But the lake behind it, that was the draw. Glassy water, deep blue, and totally silent after dark. Almost too silent. One summer, when I was 15, we went up in mid-August, just me, my mom, and my little brother Zach. My uncle had gone overseas for work, but he let us stay there alone. Said it'd be good to get some quiet. That first night, it was. But the second night, I woke up around 3:30 a.m. to a splash. I figured it was some animal, maybe a raccoon or deer slipping into the water, so I rolled over. But then it happened again. Splash. Closer this time, then again, like someone was walking in. I got up and looked out the back window. Moonlight was bouncing off the lake, so I could just barely see the surface. And there was a person, waist deep in the water, standing completely still, just facing the house. I froze. The figure...
Part 7. Save hours with Fliki AI, the fast and automated way. Now that you've seen the manual method, let me show you the faster alternative. Perfect for solo creators or anyone who wants to produce faceless videos without editing skills. Sign into Fliki. You'll see 3 options to start. From an idea, from a script, from a URL. This is my go-to tool for automatically generating full YouTube videos from just a script or even a title. It saves hours of work and delivers professional results. Here's how to use Fliki step by step. Choose from a script. Then paste the story script we created earlier in Part 2. Click Next. Choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube. Select your language. Now, pick your visual style. Choose from stock media or let Fliki generate AI visuals. I prefer AI visuals with the cinematic or realistic model. This uses more credits, but the results are worth it. Choose a realistic AI voice, then hit Submit. Fliki will automatically generate the voiceover match visuals to the story. In under 5 minutes, you've got a professional-looking video, no editing required. Here's a quick Fliki's version.
Story 1. The Lake House. Takes place in upstate New York, 2017. We used to visit my uncle's lake house every summer. It's in this tiny town in upstate New York, tucked between two state parks, surrounded by trees so thick you could get lost in the backyard if you weren't careful. The house itself wasn't anything special. 2 floors, creaky stairs, and one of those wraparound porches with chipped white paint. But the lake behind it, that was the draw. Glassy water, deep blue, and totally silent after dark. Almost too silent. One summer, when
Honestly, Fliki looks just as polished and took a fraction of the time. Want to tweak it? No problem. Fliki gives you full control. Change visuals for each scene. Add avatars, great for vlog or news-style videos. Replace the AI voice with your own voiceover. Add extra effects, transitions, or branding. Bonus: what if you only have a video title? You can start with just a viral idea. 1. Paste the viral video title into Fliki. 2. Choose your video length. Free users can generate up to 1-minute videos. 3. Select 9:16 for short-form content like Reels or TikToks. 4. Pick your language, tone, audience, and more. 5. Fliki will auto-generate a full script based on the title. Then follow the same steps as above to generate your full video. Easy, fast, and beginner-friendly. If you're serious about growing your channel, Fliki is one of the best tools available. It's surprisingly affordable, and with a yearly plan, you can get up to 50% off. So ask yourself, do you want to wait and watch others grow? Or start building your channel right now with tools that save time and money? You now have a quality video ready to go.
it began with whispers, just beyond hearing. Then, objects moved, subtly at first. A woman lived alone, yet her morning coffee was always cold, her front door slightly ajar. She installed cameras. The footage showed nothing, but the whispers grew louder, closer. A long, desolate road. You offer a ride to a lone figure. They seem normal, then fall silent. You glance over, and the seat is empty. The doors are locked, the windows up.
Up next, let's talk about the upload strategy and how to get millions of views in Part 8 and 9. Part 8. Make a viral thumbnail in 2 minutes using AI plus Canva. You can have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail doesn't grab attention, no one will click. Your thumbnail and title are everything. Here's how to create a high-converting thumbnail in just 2 minutes. Step by step. Use ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail prompt. I've already created the perfect prompt for you. Copy my prompt into ChatGPT. Insert your video script or topic. Hit enter. Boom. You'll get a professional AI thumbnail prompt tailored to your video. Paste that prompt into an AI image generator. Use labs.google, ImageFX, or Leonardo.ai. These are free and great for thumbnail quality results. Then download the version that stands out most. Open canva.com. Choose the YouTube thumbnail template. Import your AI-generated image. Add bold, eye-catching text overlays. Use short, dramatic titles like "Don't Watch Alone," "True Horror Story," "What Happened Next Shocked Me." Keep it simple. Use high contrast, dark backgrounds, big fonts. Avoid clutter. Just like that, you've got a click-worthy thumbnail that looks pro. No design skills needed. Up next, let's move into Part 9, where I'll show you exactly how to upload and optimize your video for maximum reach and results. Bonus: set up a high SEO YouTube channel and avoid the zero-view curse. Even a brand new or dormant channel can start strong if you optimize it from day one. Follow these quick steps. 1. Create or refresh your channel the smart way. Open YouTube. View all channels. Create a channel. Generate a niche perfect name. Copy the channel name prompt below. Paste it into ChatGPT. Add the 10 viral channel links you collected in Part 1. Hit enter and pick your favorite from the 15 name ideas ChatGPT suggests. Verify it's still available. Click Create Channel. 2. Write a SEO supercharged channel description. Copy my description prompt into ChatGPT. Provide your new channel name plus niche, plus those same viral links. ChatGPT returns a compelling description plus a list of high-impact channel keywords. Copy the optimized description and go to your YouTube studio. Click Customize Channel, Basic Info, then paste it into the description box. Next, use my SEO keyword channel prompt. Copy the prompt, insert your channel name and description. Hit Enter in ChatGPT, and you'll get a full list of high-ranking SEO keywords tailored for your channel. These keywords will help the algorithm understand your content and boost your discoverability from day one. Paste all keywords here and click on Publish. 3. Design eye-catching branding in minutes. Copy the prompt that being generation by my master keyword prompt. Paste into ImageFX or Bing Image Creator. Download the best result. Use Canva's free logo templates. Drop in your colors, icon. Export PNG. Upload both in customization, branding. 4. Jumpstart your first views, the engagement hack. Visit each of the top channels you researched. Watch, like, and leave a genuine comment on several videos. This early engagement puts your channel in the same audience graph and tells the algorithm you're part of the conversation. No more zero-view purgatory. Your channel is now SEO primed and visually polished. In the next section, we'll cover the exact upload workflow to maximize clicks, watch time, and rapid growth. Stay tuned. Part 9. Upload your video the smart way that hooks views. Don't just upload, optimize. A well-optimized title, description, and tags can make the difference between 10 views and 10,000. Here's how to upload your video strategically for maximum visibility. Prepare your title, description, and tags before uploading. Use my master SEO prompt to generate a viral title and description. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Insert your video script and any viral title you're modeling. From Part 2. ChatGPT will return an optimized, click-worthy title plus description combo tailored to your niche. Once you have your result, copy and paste the title and description into YouTube during the upload process. Go your channel and upload your video file. Paste your optimized description into the video description box. Upload your custom thumbnail, created in Part 8. Add the video to a playlist, e.g., scary true stories or creepy encounters. Want a great playlist description? Ask ChatGPT using the prompt. Create a compelling SEO-friendly playlist description for a horror mystery video series. Set No, it's not made for kids. Uncheck these 3 boxes. Add smart tags by going back to your ChatGPT SEO prompt result and copy the tags it generated. For more tag ideas, use tools like Rapid Tags IO vidIQ. Just paste in your video title and copy the suggested tags. Set category to entertainment or film and animation if it fits your style better. That's it. Your video is now fully optimized with smart SEO, engaging visuals, and viral structure, ready to attract real views. Want all the prompts I used in this video for free? Just drop a comment saying YouTube automation prompt or Fliki faceless channel prompt, and I'll send you my full AI prompt pack, including viral content idea prompts, ChatGPT story script generator, AI thumbnail creation prompt, title, description, and SEO tag template. All in one. Easy to copy, ready to use. Comment below and I'll send it your way. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up in 2025, and the tools have never been this powerful. You can do it manually using CapCut, ElevenLabs, Leonardo, or switch to Fliki AI and automate everything. If you learned something today, do me a favor. Smash the like button, subscribe for more AI YouTube automation tutorials, and check the pinned comment for all tools mentioned. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next viral video might be just one Fliki click away.